Hi, my name is Dick Larson. I am the professional math tutor on the Vermilion Community College campus. I am also one of the financial aid advisors on campus. As part of my position, I am responsible for helping students establish and maintain email and e-services connections. If you haven't heard by now, e-services and VCC email are the keys to staying connected with both your classes as well as your financial aid. At the heart of staying connected is your star ID and password. That is your key for logging in to campus computers, as well as logging into resources you need to maintain your classwork and keeping track of finances. Let's start by making sure that your star ID is active and password is working. Some of you have already set up your star ID and know your password, so the first thing to do would be to verify that. If you are on campus, I would be having you attempt to log into a campus computer. Since we are doing this in a virtual setting, I'm going to ask you to go to the vcc.edu website. Once there, go to Current Students, and a drop-down menu will give you a few options. Select Log into eServices or Sign into eServices. If you think you already know your star ID and password, try logging in by entering your star ID and password. If this works, you are ready to go. Don't shut me off yet. There are a few more things you need. I am going to talk for a moment to those of you who do not have your star ID and password set up. Hopefully, if you've been following to this point, you are on the login screen to eServices. Next to the star ID line is a link that says Need Login Help. Click on this link. On the next page is a link that will take you to Star ID Self-Service. Follow that link. You should now see a page with a number of options. Reset my password, activate your star ID, sign into your profile, and what is my password, or what is my star ID? Those are the four options. Select activate star ID or reset my password. Either one will get you to the same place. Here you will have a number of options. First one is I know my tech ID, then I know my email address, I have a verification code, I have a library card, I know my state employee number. Select I know my tech ID. Your tech ID is an 8-digit number that should be in your registration materials. If they are in a folder, it's on the label with your name on it. It will probably start with a 0 or 014 and then the last digits. You want to drop the leading 0 off the number when you're entering it and just enter the remaining 8 digits. Then select Vermilion Community College from the drop-down menu. On the next screen, you will need to enter your Social Security number. If all goes well, you should be asked for a new password now. Passwords should include at least one capital letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. My advice is to pick a word that is at least 8 characters long, capitalize the first letter, then pick a number followed by a special character. I usually suggest using the exclamation point, which is above the 1 on the number line on your keyboard. This way, since you have to renew your password every 6 months, you can leave your password intact and just move across the keyboard with special characters. I find this helps eliminate forgotten passwords. You will be asked to type your password twice and check the box accepting the terms of the system. If all of that is successful, you will be at a page that is telling you your star ID. You will need this. Write it down. By the end of the first week of school, you will have typed it so many times your fingers will have it memorized. To make sure your password is set, let's go back to the eServices page and log into eServices using your star ID and password.